the wrapping paper for the next few days. So if you want to, you can ask my mom, or you can call her or text her, and she'll just tell you what day you get it on. And it starts October 2 and then ends October 10th. So then this is one of the catalogs that I have for you to look at, and my mom's going to be bringing it to work with her, or you can just FaceTime her too to maybe look at it if you want to, or you can text her and then she'll come over to your house to show it to you. And then these are the wrapping papers that you can get from my mom and me. So, thank you for watching my videos. And I hope you have a fun time enjoying them. And I hope you have a fun time wrapping the stuff with my wrapping paper. Bye! See you in my next video.